This video will explain what is DynamoDB Accelerator, which is used for speed up your queries. When your application reads data from DynamoDB, it normally sends a request to the database. DynamoDB finds the data, sends it back. This is already fast. But in some applications, you may read the same data again and again, need very fast response time, and have millions of users. In these cases, even small delay matters. This is where DAX helps. Now we will see what is DynamoDB Accelerator or DAX. DynamoDB Accelerator is a fast in-memory cache for DynamoDB. In case of in-memory, data is stored in the RAM, not on the disk. RAM is much faster than normal database storage. Cache is nothing but a temporary storage that keeps frequently used data ready. DynamoDB Accelerator is a very fast layer that sits in front of the DynamoDB and returns data in microseconds. Now we will see the real life example. Imagine a shopping app. Many users open the same product page. Without DAX, every user request goes to the DynamoDB again and again. With DAX, first request goes to the DynamoDB and next request data comes from DAX very fast. This makes your app faster, more scalable, and able to handle more users. Now we will see where DAX sits in this architecture. In case of normal flow, application directly talks to DynamoDB. With DAX, your application talks to DAX, not directly to DynamoDB. Now we will see how DAX makes queries faster. Step 1. User application sends first request. If data is not in DAX, DAX asks DynamoDB, stores the result in memory, returns the result to your application. This is called a cache miss. Step 2. User application sends next request for same data. DAX already has the data in memory, so it returns the data immediately, does not go to the DynamoDB. This is called a cache hit. This is why it becomes extremely fast. What operations become faster? DAX improves the speed of getItem, query, and batch getItem. These are read operations. DAX is mainly used for read-heavy applications. In case of normal DynamoDB without DAX, response in milliseconds. With DAX, response in microseconds. Microseconds are much faster. This is useful for high-traffic apps, gaming leaderboards, real-time dashboards, and e-commerce product views. Does DAX store data permanently? No. DAX store data temporarily in memory. The main source of truth is still DynamoDB. What happens when data changes? When you update, delete, and write new data, DAX automatically updates its cache, keeps data in sync with DynamoDB, so your application gets latest data. Do you need to change your code? Only small changes needed. You have to replace DynamoDB client with DAX client. Your queries remain almost the same. When you should use DAX? You have many repeated reads. You need very fast response time. You have high traffic. You want to reduce load on the DynamoDB. When you should not use DAX? If your application is write heavy, you rarely read same data twice, ultra fast speed is not required, then you have to avoid DAX because DAX is mainly for the read performance. What are the main benefits of DAX? Extremely fast reads, reduces database load, handles more users, no need to manage cache manually, fully managed by AWS. Now we will see the summary. DynamoDB is already fast. DAX makes it super fast for repeated reads by storing data in memory. It is best for applications that need speed, high performance, and large number of users.